Now we're going to create the class enemy that will inherit from sprite node subclass, and so we will create a function init that will override the sprite node class superclass init method with self, and the enemy that it will be this one maybe, and then with the keywords arguments here for position that will be added later. And now in the update method here we will add something, and we will make some random enemies to appear. So if random.random is more than or maybe less than 0.01, and now let's import the random module for this. We are going to create an enemy from the class enemy. There is parent to self, and then this enemy position will be a random uniform among 0 and self.size.width, and the width of the screen, and the height will be self size height of the screen plus 60 pixels, so we don't see it at the start. Then we will make the animation of the enemy with the run action method, and we will create a sequence of action, and at first our enemy will move by in a random way, so random dot uniform among -100 and 500 and 200, and with a velocity of 2. Then some other movements that you can modify at your will. Around this and velocity of 2 always, comma, and another action dot move to always, and this time we will make it, well, let's leave it like this for now, 302. And now again action move to, and again, this time -1 1 for 500 0 in 3, and at the end action dot remove right, get this typo here. Here are enemies first enemy come, and there is no interaction for now. Okay, for now we can leave it as it is, and we will see how to make the laser work.